Hello friends, welcome to Mento Gang, and the man is here to do unboxing of Samsung Galaxy J2s. So let's see the box. Front flash, yes, it comes with front flash LED, UDS mode also there, and not special, but it's also support VoLTE category 4. Now 1.4 GHz quad-core processor, which is MediaTek MT6735. Yes, it's a MediaTek processor, and 5-inch TFT display. Yes, also bad news for you. It's TFT display. 8 megapixel rear and 5 megapixel front camera, both has LED, 8GB internal memory, 1GB RAM. And now there are some special features from Samsung TST Turbo Speed technology. Second, S-Back mode, and third, S-Secure mode. S-Secure mode you have already seen in J5 and J7 Prime. Also S-Power planning here, and it also support OTG. MRP is 8900, but you can purchase it from market at the rate 8400. So let's unbox. It is the first look of J2s, and second name of this device is J2 Prime, and the third is Galaxy Grand Prime 4G 2016. So let's see the design. It has a power key on left side, and bottom it has a charging socket mic. At left it has volume key, and upper it has a 3.5mm ear jack. So let's see on the back cover. It is looking matte finish. Yes, it's a matte design, and you can see it is totally different like previous J series devices. So amazing. Because of matte finish, this device will not slip from your hand easily, and you can see the 4G and Samsung logo at back cover. And here is camera, flash, and song speaker, media speaker. This is front look of J2s, and you can see the body to skin ratio is very wide, which is making this device is very heavy. So here is your task manager, home, and back key. Also flash, speaker, proximity sensor, and front camera. Let's see full design in a brief. So it's enough for design. Now move on to the box. So paperwork and nothing. USB cable. This is your battery. This is 26,000 mAh battery. It is your adapter, which is 5 volt and 1 ampere. So it's much better than J2. So let's turn on the Galaxy J2 Ace. Wow, yes, wow, because you are getting Note 7 Grace UI here. Yes, this is Note 7 Grace UI, which is based on Marshmallow 6.0.1. So as you can see, all necessary shortcuts are available here in notification panel. The Wi-Fi, secure folder, S-Back mode, UDS mode, S-Power planning, all is here. So amazing. And as you can see, you can't open app settings by long press on the shortcut. So here is another amazing thing. You can control your brightness of your torch. Yes, you can control the brightness of your torch. So I was waiting for this, and here you can see it is horizontal UI like Samsung Galaxy J26. This is looking something new, and here you will get a search icon to search your application. This is the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy J2s. And let's see some applications. Here is USB backup, OTG support, and S-Secure folder also there. So no need to download this S-Secure folder like J5 and J7 Prime. Let's see new UI of preloaded applications like gallery, call, message, internet. So all are looking new. Now let's move on to settings. So this is your settings UI, which is completely changed, and this is your theme, and here are only 4 preloaded themes and no download option. Yes, you can't download theme for your Samsung Galaxy J2s. Only 4 themes are available to change. So let's try. Let's move on to advanced features. Here is lock and hide application, one-handed operation, quick launch camera, smart alert, easy to mute. What is easy to mute? You have to flip your device to mute during a call or notification. And here is panic mode. What is panic mode? You have to press power key 3 times to make a emergency code like this. Nice. So this is the new UI of your smart manager, and you will get 4.8 GB free data out of 8 GB, and you will get 700 of MB free out of 1.5 GB, so which is good to play heavy games like Asphalt and GTA. So now let's see operating system version. It is 6.0.1, which I have already told you, and December security page also there. Now let's move on to the camera. It is 8 megapixel rear and 5 megapixel front camera. Both have LED flashes, and these are some instructions, so skip this. Here are some camera modes like auto mode, pro mode, panorama mode, continuous shot, HDR also there. Yes, and night mode, sports mode, and sound and shot. And if we talk about other features, these are some effects. And move on to the settings. Picture size is 8 megapixel for rear, and you can record HD video with this 8 megapixel camera. Front camera is 5 megapixel, I have already told you, and you can also record HD video with this. So other way to take selfie, take pictures, like tap on the screen to take pictures, and gesture control also there. You have to show your palm or in front of your camera to take selfies. Quick launch also there, and beauty effect also there, but it's not an advanced beauty effect, it's a simple beauty effect to retouch your face. And front and rear both flash are also there. So I am showing you some pictures which I have captured. This low light picture is looking good, but you can see also noise there, but it's not a camera review. I will upload camera review soon. So this is the most awaiting part of this video. Yes, this is about TFT display, and as we know that J1 Ace comes with a 5-inch TFT display. So here I am not doing a review, I am just telling you something minor things, like here you can see the viewing angle are looking good, but we can't say anything about brightness. And if we compare this with Super AMOLED, then Super AMOLED is showing me much better color than J2S. So J2S is showing me some fade color, but I will upload a camera review soon. I think it's enough for this unboxing video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.